Today I'm going to introduce the tools for doing the skinning. It's inside the Zoo tool, but you need to install the plugin at the outside. One is the SkinWrangler, and the other one is the Smooth Skin Wave. Okay, so I will show you how to install first, and you can go to here, the software 3D Maya in the server. Yes, you can find this SkinWrangler. So this folder you copy and then you paste to your document Maya script. So you just copy here and paste here. After that, you rename the folder, remove the dash and master, and then it's done. It's just that simple. And then for the BrSmooths, you go to the installer, and then in the module file, you have this folder, BrSmooths, you copy and paste on the Maya script folder here. And then you need to do another one thing is you go to the resources, this one, you need to open the notepad. So actually you need to modify the path to this BrSmooths, this folder. So I already did that in the installer. I have Maya 2022 and 2025, so you can see the path is already updated here. Okay, so this one I copy and paste to outside Maya modules here. So you copy here and paste and rename the module to this BrSmooths-master.mod. So after you did that, you should be able to load in the Maya. So you can see how it looks like. The SkinWrangler looks like this, and then the Smooth Skin Wave is like this window. So I will take this as an example. So I already create a skeleton and controller and do a simple animation, and I'll show you what is the function of this. For SkinWrangler, you can see that when I select this edge loop, it will show me what is the weight and the power that assigned to this vertices around this edge loop. So you can see I think I should assign only the joint 0 and 1 into this edge loop. So for the 2 and 3, I can click 0. It means that this one is only assigned to bone 0 and 1. So for this one, I want to 50-50 the weight, so I just click 50-50. And then maybe for the other one, you can repeat as well. You can see it's updated here. So for this one, I think the joint should be 1 and 2. So for 0, I think I'll just 0 it out. 3 as well. So I'll just 50-50 this. And maybe it's too much. I think you can see that set weight. This is the value. I can press each time to increase 0.1% to the weight. So same to this, maybe I don't want it affected by joint 0 and 1. I just put 0. And maybe I edit a bit. And this one, maybe 0 and 1. And the 0. And then this one, maybe I want to 50-50 the influence. And then maybe for the joint 3, I want to more influence. Okay. So this is actually same with the attribute spreadsheet. But it's very hard to read here if you... Sorry, it's the component editor. So it's very hard to read from here to do the weight. The smooth skin is very hard to read, but this one is reorganized like in a vertical way, and then you can do the value in a quick way, just click the button, then you can select the vertices, and then you use the grow tool to grow your selection or shrink your selection, or shell you select all, or this one, red loop, you select the edge loop for you. This tool is the same, but I think this one is more convenient to control. There's a small button all here I haven't go and check out. You can find the tutorial online, and I just use for this weight control. And then for this smooth skin, you can see I click the mesh, then I click the smooth skin brush, and you middle click, scroll up and down is the strength of the brush value. You can see it's updated. And middle click left and right is the brush size. So this one I can paint on it, so it can quickly smoothen out the shape of your mesh to even out the rotation, even out the weight of the paint weight. So you can see he will find the in between. So sometimes it's very helpful, especially you're doing the skin on the mostly organic stuff like this. Okay. Another one I want to talk about is the skin method. You can see the Maya default one, you use the classic linear. So this method, when it bend, normally it will deform the volume of the mesh. So it's not ideal for those, especially is the arm and the body and the leg, the organic stuff. By using the dual quantumian, it will be able to hold the volume of the mesh better. Okay. So after this, I want to talk about the weight transfer in the Zoo2 skinning toolbox. So you can see here I have the low res and the high res cylinder. Just now I just paint weight on the low, so the high is without the paint weight. So I know to transfer the paint weight from the low to the high, you just select these two and then skin transfer. So you will see that the high res mesh is successfully transferred. So in this situation, maybe I will need to use the smooth skin brush, adjust the strength and the brush size, and slowly paint the mesh. Okay. Okay.